guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the best strawberry shortcake you can make. And we're going to start off with the biscuits part. Okay, you're going to add 2 cups and 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour in a bowl, just like this. Okay, now we're gonna add 1/4 of some sugar, granulated sugar. Now add 4 teaspoons of aluminum-free baking powder, and then add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Now add a little salt. Okay, now you're gonna whisk it all together. Okay, so I cut up 12 tablespoons of butter into cubes, pretty small. And I'm gonna put it in my dry ingredient thing. And now you can use a pastry cutter, but if you don't have a pastry cutter, you can use a potato masher to just mash it all kind of together. So it needs to be sort of crumbly, like this. Okay, so you're gonna pour a cup of buttermilk on top of the dry ingredients. And then you're gonna use a large spoon or a silicone spatula to just keep flipping it to fold it over. Okay, it should look like this now. And you're gonna need, don't throw stuff. And then you're gonna need a cutting board or any type of board with some flour on it. Okay, now you're gonna just splat it all on the board. Okay, and now you're just gonna kind of like massage it. Now bring it all together. And if it's sticking, then put more flour on it. Just like make it into a ball. Okay, now you're gonna take little sections and make them into biscuits. So like this size. So all the biscuits are gonna look like this. And then you're gonna put them on a greased or buttered tray, like this.
No, yours is there.
Pop them in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Okay, now you need 6 to 7 cups of strawberries. or less. So now I'm just gonna sprinkle some sugar on these strawberries. And then, okay, so I sprinkled a little sugar on all these strawberries, and now they taste delicious. So now it's time to make the whipped cream. So get a bowl out. It can be any type of bowl or plate. Just needs to be a little bit big, like this. And you're gonna need some heavy whipping cream, or maybe it's called heavy cream. So you're gonna pour a cup of the heavy whipping cream to your dish. Now half a cup of sugar. Now you're gonna mix it.
Do you want me to get plates? You cut these in half?
No. Now add about 3/4 of a tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. Okay, and now it's time to mix. You can put it on probably whip. Okay. Okay, now that we're done whipping it, it should be a way thicker texture. So now, see how we cut these in half? Like, cut them in half, like, yeah. One of these, and you'll just go, like, cut it through this way. So, to serve, just gonna put a glob of whipped cream. And then a blob of strawberries. And then you can just put the top on, like that. Ta-da! Just do that with the rest. And this made like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Made 9 shortcakes, so this is a dinner for the whole family. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and like. And see you guys next time. Bye.